Hi guys, here I am at the Dollar Tree and I thought I'd show you their kitchen section. So let's take a look, guys. So here they have these doilies, guys. They have them in the cream color. You get 2 in a pack. And here they are in the white. Then they have these tablecloths. Guys, these are not like the regular plastic ones. These are padded and they come in so many different colors. Like they come in this coral, and I'm loving this black and that design. Then here's the plain black. So they have this kind here, and then they have that design there. And these go all the way to the top. Okay, then they have these table runners. Look at this color green. So it looks like that's the only color they have today is that green. That's the darker green, and there's the lighter one. Then they have these pillow covers. It's really weird. They have them over here by the kitchen section stuff. But they have this cream color. They have the black, and I'm loving that charcoal gray, and there's brown. Then they have that green and the beige up on top. Then they have that microfiber one and the chevron design up there. And then look, they brought the flour sack towels here. So here is roll with it. They brought these back, guys. So let's see. I think I got that one. Let me see. And that one says, look what? Look at and be happy. Look, eat, and be happy. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what I was thinking about. That one says forks to be reckoned with. Okay. And so then they have these. These are microfiber, guys. So they have that design. And I'm liking this. This is the barbecue towels. And these are microfiber. And then here's the one that says grill. So the grill towel. Good times and grill lines. Aren't they pretty, guys? And then look at that. That buffalo check design back there in red and in blue. Then they have these, guys. These are bar mop dishcloths. These are cotton. So that's pretty neat. These, and they go all the way to the top. Then on the very top, you're going to see the dish drying mats, and they have them in that navy blue and that dark gray up there. Then over here, they have them in red, black, this turquoise color, this lighter brown, and this darker brown. Then you have the dishcloths, and they go all the way to the top in those colors. So that's pretty neat, guys. And then here you have your kitchen towels, and look at the colors they have. I'm going to scan that down for you. They're pretty much the same 3 colors, but down there they have the red. Then they have the matching. Like, look at this color, guys. This is a coral color. Look how beautiful that is. Then they have the red, and they have the red all the way to the top. Then they have this green color. Then they have this darker green color right here. These are nice. They're rubber on the other side. See that? So then here they have the pot holders in that red, the beige, the navy blue, the black, the dark gray, that turquoise, and black on the top. Then here are your oven mitts, and these are the colors they have, guys. So I'm really liking these, guys. So look, they're bringing back the sunflower, guys. They're bringing those back. Okay, so here this one says, I think it says love what you do what you love. And then this one says enjoy the journey, or something to that effect. I can't unravel them because they're stapled together, or they're attached. This is the cook. Okay, and I think that's the rooster up on top, and the cook. So then they have that one. So look what they have here, guys. Here is the red truck. The kitchen towels with the red truck. They have the rooster on the top, and the back is filled with apples and buckets of apples over here, baskets. Then you have the cook over here, and here's another cook up there. Then you have that one that says coffee time. This one says live what you love. So that's what these cloths say right here. Then here is the coffee time one. Here's one with the rooster. I think this one's new too. And more of the truck. So then they have the cook. Then it says, and I thought it said enjoy the journey, but it says always find joy in the journey. I like these towels, guys. And then this one says together's my favorite place. And then this is the best things in life aren't things. I like that. Then together is my favorite place, and then always find joy in the journey. And then look at these. These are really nice. This says coffee time. I'm liking these colors, guys. Those are nice. So they have them all the way to the bottom. Then the gloves, live what you love. And then this one says a hot, fresh coffee is the best way to start the day. Those are nice. And then here's the gloves to match. Love what you and live what you love. Together's my favorite place. Then here are the lemon pot holders, guys. And then this one says home is where our family gathers. That's really nice. I like that one. And here is the rooster oven mitt, and there's the one with the wine, and there's the rooster on the top. So then these are the pot holders all the way to the bottom. They have a lot of rooster ones, guys, because I don't remember this one says rise and shine. Then this is a different rooster picture. I like this one. It says keep life simple. There's the chef, and there's the chef up there. Then you have more pot holders down there. Then they have this whole section over here with these knives, guys. Like, I never noticed that Dollar Tree had all these knives, and they look pretty nice too. I gotta try some. Like, look at this paring knife, and then look at this knife, the chef knife. I think I might go back and get some. And then these are supposed to be steak knives, and there's your chopping knife. I might try those. So here are your pot and pan protectors, and here is your double pack of the toothpicks, and they come in the white and they come in the black, guys. Then you have your multi-purpose clips, and they come in this kind too. They come in all these kinds right here. Okay, then this is your hamburger press, and then here are your drain stoppers, guys. Okay, then you have some more of the clips. Somebody took one. Then here's your cookie cutters, guys. Isn't that nice? And then here's your cake decorating kit, and those are your oven burner covers, and they come in that rooster, and they come in this one that says together is my favorite place, and then they come in this one with the wine, and there's the rooster again. So along the bottom here, guys, is all of your baking pans, and down here is more baking pans. So then you have your condiment bottles right here, and these are a pack of 2 plates, white plates, for $1. Then the bowls are right next to that, and here are your mixing spoons. Then you have these electronic timer, guys. I didn't even have it, and they come in colors. There's blue and there's red, and they go all the way to the top. Then you have your veggie brush, and here is your apple core. See, your apple core, and here's your mess strainer. Here is your waiter's corkscrew, and here's your hamburger patty press, and here's your little scoop. And these are table clamps. I don't know if I remember seeing those. Then you have your scooper here, and here's your hand strainer. Then you have your salt and pepper shaker right there, and your sink strainer right there, and those go all the way to the top. Then here are your scoopers, and those come in colors in red and black, and your hand strainers come in the red on the top there. Then here are your kitchen scissors. They go all the way to the top, and there is your grater. So here's your ice cream scoop, guys, and then here's your little hand strainer. Okay, those go all the way to the top. Then you have your tongs, and then here's a can opener, guys, right here. Then you have your cutting board. Then you have your little small grater. That's pretty neat. Then you have some more tongs, and they come in different sizes. I think this one is your real big one for outside. Then you have your cake server and your slotted spoon, and then your slotted turner over there. And some more tongs. Here's some potato mashers. Okay, here's your butter dish. And you know what? I think I want to get one of these. This is one of the things I was looking for, is a sponge holder, and it sticks to the side of your sink or even in the bathroom, guys. So here you have some more of the can openers. They have a whole bunch of those, guys. Then let's see, so we found something new, guys. So then you have your tin bowls, And then here are your metal utensils, your measuring cups, and those are the measuring cups are in white, and then there they are in black. And then the red over here. Look at the wooden, here's the paper towel holder, metal. There's your measuring cup bowls. And then here, I'm loving these wooden, serving spoons. And then here's your splatter screen. And then here's your salad tongs, guys. There's your mixing. There's your mixing tool. And then here's your Betty Crocker. Now their stuff is in red and in black. Isn't that pretty cool? They keep this stuff in red and black. So, and then along the bottom here, they have the tiny little tools in silicone. Aren't they adorable? Here's the spatula, here's the tongs, and here's even the little knife. Then the mixer and the spoons, guys. These things are adorable. Okay, and I think I pretty much got everything in this kitchen section, guys. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their kitchen section, and I will see you in another video.